Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 27. Write a program to fill in array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100, then copy the original array to another one. For example, if the user input 5, output should be the original array elements are these numbers, and after we copy these numbers to another array, which is copy array, like we will take the original array to the copy one. And also after that, this string, the copy array elements are same numbers because we copy these original array elements to the copy array elements variable, for example. Let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're going to convert this requirement into code. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 27. Write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100, then copy the original array to another one. First, let's do run to understand what I mean. Perfect. So when we did run to compile display for this question, how many elements do you want to get randomly? Let's say 5 numbers randomly. The original array elements are 78, 42, 8, 92, 1. The copy array elements are same, 78, 42, 8, 92, 1. So let's go to see how we build this problem. First, here we have in the main function the same as rand to use the rand built-in function inside the generate random function, number function, okay? And we have it was array 100 array length. We just make it original array. We change its name. And we call this function get array elements with random number. We already know it. Just let's open it. We explained it already in previous lessons. Okay, look at it. And let's get back to main function. We have after that integer copy array. We declare another variable. We name it copy array next to this original array. And after that, we call this procedure that's called this the new procedure for this problem, solve this problem. Copy all the elements of the array. It takes the original array. It's already filled with the random numbers and with the generate random numbers, that function. And we give it the copy array, which is this the second one. It's still empty. And the length. The length, it will be same, the original and the copy array. So let's go to the copy all the elements of the array. Copy all the elements of the array. It's here. This is the procedure, this one here. It takes the original array, as we said, from the previous function. It takes the copy array from the main function and the length. Let's open this procedure. It's easy. Use the integer I equals 0 while I less than length. Let's say the length is 5 because there is an insert number 5 on the screen. Copy array of I equal original array of I. We take the first number inside the index of the original array. We store it or we assign it in copy array of I. We take the first number inside the original array. We store it or we copy it to the first index of the copy array, which is the second variable. And I++ until all the original numbers of the array move to the copy array or we copy them to the copy array. And here in the main function after that, we have this display array, original array and array length. You already know this. You don't change anything inside it from the previous lessons. We use it here two times we use it here after the copy all the elements of the array. Takes, as I said, original array and copy array. And we use the display array procedure 2 times, and that's explain reusability. Just before it, small string. The original array elements are. We call the display array. First time we give it original array and array length. Next string or second string, the copy array elements are. We use the same procedure, display array, but this time we give it the copy array. It's already filled with the same number of the original array. Once we did that process inside the copy, all the elements of the array procedure, and we give it also the length. And once we did run, the compiler display for us the same numbers in both arrays. How many elements do you want to get? Let's say 10 this time. Perfect. The original array elements are 16, 50, 46, 12, and 43. The copy array elements are 60, 50, 46, 12, 65, same, 3, 8, 43. Perfect. So that was the lesson of today. Problem number 27. Write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100. Then copy the original array to another one. See you next lesson, next problem.